So earlier we created a way to transition from the home screen to the level select screen, and then of course from level select into level 1. But we want to set things up so that when our agent comes in contact with the lava and dies, we're then sent all the way back to the home screen. So this is actually pretty simple to do, and what we want to do is click on the actor tag or tab. We're going to click on our agent, and I'm going to open up the backstage. And inside the backstage, we created a rule that says when our agent comes in contact with the lava, then what do we want to happen? Well, we changed an image, and of course we changed an attribute. But we also want to change the scene now. So really simple stuff. When our agent comes in contact with the lava, we can close these down. And in this box here, we can type in the word timer. And in this first pull down, I'm going to switch this to after 2 seconds, run to completion. What do we want to happen? I'm going to type in the word change and then choose change scene from this list. So all I did was go into this rule set that I created earlier that explains what happens when our agent comes in contact with lava. And I added this timer into that group that says after 2 seconds, go ahead and change your scene. But what scene do we want to change to? Of course you can do next scene, but that's not as easy to understand. So just to make sure we're going to the right scene, we're going from level 1 all the way back to the home screen. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if it works. So we're here on our home screen. I'll just click or touch the home screen. That sends me over to the level select screen. I'll just click or touch the 1 button here. And that automatically puts me into my level. So let's go ahead and see what happens when we come in contact with that lava. 1 1000, 2 1000, and then of course we're switched back to the home screen as well. So pretty easy stuff to get back to this point. Now the only problem is that when we're back to this point, you can see that our score, instead of being set to 0, it's set to 600. Now maybe you want that. Maybe you want the score not to reset every single time. But in my case, when my agent dies, I want to reset the score. So I'm just going to close down this timer. And we're going to create a very simple rule. Right now we have when our agent comes in contact with lava, in this do section, I'm going to type in the word change, and we're going to select change attribute. And the attribute we want to change is, of course, that score attribute. So let's go ahead and navigate to that. Score. And we want to type in the number 0. So again, one more time, when our agent comes in contact with the lava, then change the score attribute to 0. And let's preview that and make sure it works. Okay, so we have a score of 700. And then the minute I touch the lava, our score goes down to 0. And then we start from the very beginning. I'll select level 1, and you can see our score has been completely reset.